Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. This is Christine from Kanta Aesthetic. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce a revolutionary device in skin diagnostics, the Skin Analysis Machine N9. In this video, I will introduce you to the functions and operation demonstration of this machine. What sets the M9 apart is its remarkable 20-megapixel camera, delivering unmatched clarity and precision in skin imaging. This high-resolution camera captures intricate details of the skin, enabling precise identification of a wide range of skin concerns. To start the machine, first, we need to connect to the power source and Wi-Fi. Swipe down on the screen and tap on Settings, then find and connect to Wi-Fi. Next, locate our skin analysis software. Here, you can choose the language for the software. Enter the password. The default password is 1234. Here is the customer search box. You can click to search for customers. Tap on the plus sign to create a new customer profile. The customer's name, gender, date of birth, phone number, and email are required fields. All right, we have now created a new customer profile. Add recommended products. The added products will appear on the Skin Analysis results page. Okay, our products have been added successfully. Long press on a product to delete it. We will now begin the skin analysis. Do not open your eyes during the analysis process. The machine will conduct the skin analysis using the latest algorithms. We can see the results, which are very comprehensive and include many metrics. Here is an overview of the analysis report. The AI algorithm will provide recommendations, and you can edit this text in the backend. We can save and share the report. Before saving the report, we need to insert an SD card. Here is the analysis comparison, which can compare different dates. Long press on a customer to delete their information. We see that the customer's information has been deleted. This is the system's backend settings. Here, you can manually modify the system's analysis reports. Here you can modify the product associations. Use the default settings here. No modifications are needed. Thank you all for watching today. If you need more detailed information or wish to purchase a machine, please contact us through the link below.